We are doing series of success principles. So today's success principle is choose your association wisely. Why it is so important? We learned in our pandemic that yeah, if we don't want to catch COVID, we have to stay away from COVID, but it is applicable in each and every area. Yeah, if you want to catch cold, of course you associate with people who have cold, but if you want to remain healthy, associate with healthy people. But what about the lifestyle and principles? Means basically, if you associate with thieves, then after a few associations, you will think, oh, okay, it is okay to steal and it is okay to become a thief. So same is true in business area or anything. And see, association is so important. For example, if you go to a bar and if you keep on drinking milk, yeah, means first of all, nobody will believe you that you are going into a bar and drinking milk. But how far will you keep on doing that? Because it is not possible, because you see everyone else is having alcohol. So you will feel like trying it. And then basically, before you know, you become regular. So association is very, very important. Yeah, if you want to succeed, if you want to grow, distance yourself from people who lie, who cheat, who put you down, who don't respect. That is actually really quite obvious, but still many times we don't even realize that we are associating with this kind of people. And it is proven that your income is the average of 5 people you associate with the most. So if you want to become multimillionaire, associate with multimillionaires. And it is not possible every time to associate with them in person or on one-on-one basis live. But you can associate with them. For example, you can read their books, you can listen to their streamings, you can associate with them with various possible way. Means now there is virtual possibility in every possible thing. So associate with them. Negative people, they have actually problem for every solution in their life. It's basically, we want the solution for every problem, but they create problem for every solution. So just stay away. Just want to give example. For example, you must have seen the bucket of crabs, and if one crab wants to get out of the bucket, the other will pull you down. So don't get into the bucket of crabs. Just alienate yourself from that and choose your association really wisely. There are lots of free resources, conferences, virtual summits happening everywhere. Streaming podcast is available, YouTube. You get lots of positive videos. So there is a lot of means positive association is possible. As I mentioned before, books and streamings and all. Of course, those are also there. So just choose your association. And I just mentioned about the multimillionaire, but your goal may not be become multimillionaire. Your goal may be want to become minister. So try to associate with people who are actually successful in that area. Yeah, of course, that is also important thing. If you want to become a doctor, go and talk to a doctor who is successful in that area, because you don't want to go and talk to a dropout. So just wanted to say, if you need any help in any positive association, free information, because that is the idea. I want to share the success principles freely to ambitious people who want to take charge of their life. And starting side business is just one way, but there are many other possible ways you can apply these success principles even to get the happier life. So it's available. All the information is there in the description. We provide also value added resources which can be used to organize your life, and also lots of e-learning courses. So there are lots of things available, and 360 degrees mentorship is available for all the people who are qualified. So that's the next stage, but you choose what your needs are, and accordingly means we will provide you the help. Please let us know what are the topics you want us to cover. We will try to cover those topics. We'll try to find the information, and means we are not inventing anything. It is all the information is there. We are just actually compiling and giving it to you. All the best. Thank you.